Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I've got a huge spring Shein haul for you guys. That is right, we're going to be doing a spring Shein try on haul today. I'm super excited about it because I haven't gotten anything from Shein in a very long time, so I'm super hyped. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun posts and reels and videos and stuff over there. If you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. But let's get into this try on haul. So the first thing I want to show you is actually something that I'm wearing on my person right now. Also, please do not mind the horrific fake tan on my hands. Thank you. And yeah, but this is the first thing that I'm wearing. Not this, because I wear this all the time, but these three necklaces right here with the little locket or little lock. This is so freaking cute, and I see this everywhere on Instagram and stuff, and it's like a stack, you know what I mean? Like, you know how you see people just like dripping in gold? I'm just like, yes. So I got one of those too, and it's really nice. This was like $1, and it's probably not the best jewelry. Like, I guarantee you if I wore it for too long it'd make my neck green, but it's super cute. It's like costume jewelry. It's cool for a night or a day or whenever, but it's probably not going to be your best jewelry, but I do like it so far. I think it's really cute. Next up, I got my first item right here. Now, I know I said this was a spring try-on haul, which is correct. It is going to be spring, but when I ordered this, I was still kind of in the winter mindset, so there are a few pieces in here that are wintry, and then a lot of the other stuff is indeed spring, but there are some things that are kind of still wintry in this haul. So mainly this. I picked up this sweater right here, and I thought it looked really cute if you like tucked it into some jeans, right? Here's my thought process. If I wore these with some like dad jeans or mom jeans or whatever, I could just tuck this in and I would straight up look like a Griswold. Please let me know if you know what the Griswold is. Like, I would just look like a dad, you know? So here's what it looks like. It is actually really nice quality from Shein. I have gotten a few things from Shein like a long time ago, and they were absolute butt, and I had to send them back because they were so bad. But I'm actually really shocked at the quality on this. Like, it feels like a genuine heavy sweater, and it's really cute. I like the design on it, and it is in a size small, so a US size 4. And I don't know, guys, again, I feel like I'm just gonna be a dad. Like, I'm super into it, so let's go ahead and try this on. Alright, you guys, here is the first item that I have to try on for you. It is that awesome, like, Griswold's dad sweater. I gotta say, I'm actually kind of into this. I have it with my mom jeans, and I've just got it tucked in, and you could also like put it up under your bra or something like that if you wanted a more cropped look, but I don't know, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. This is not something that I would normally wear, but I'm kind of into it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Is it too much? Because it's a lot of pattern here, you know? But what do you think? Would you wear something like this or not? I'm kind of into it. Next up, keeping with the kind of like winter theme, if I can't wear this right now, then I can definitely wear it for next fall / winter time. But the whole chocolate color is like super in right now, and I got this and it's already really nice. Like, I feel like this is something that you would get from like Urban Outfitters or ASOS, probably like ASOS or something, but it is a really tight turtleneck sweater, and it is in the most beautiful chocolate color. Ugh, I'm actually obsessed with this. I haven't put it on, so I hope it fits well, but it looks so freaking nice, and I feel like even if you were to wear this and like wear this jewelry with it, with a nice pair of like high-rise jeans, you just look so put together, even though you only have like a turtleneck sweater and some jeans on with some gold jewelry. Like, I don't know, I feel like you would just be so put together. But here's this, it's very stretchy. Again, I think I got a size small. No, I didn't. I got a size medium. I got a size 6 because I do have a bigger chest. So I did size up and get a size 6 in this one right here. But let's go ahead and try this baby on. And here is the second piece, you guys. It is that chocolate turtleneck sweater, and I love this so much. It looks super classic. I don't know, I feel like it fits really well. Just looks really, really nice. I'm really into this, and I don't think it works really great with this color jean, but I don't really have any other color jeans right now. I think if you wore this with like black jeans or maybe even white jeans, it would look really cool. But I am so into this. It is really, really pretty. I like how soft it is. It's super soft. So I love this. I'm super into it, and I feel like a very put together New Yorker. You know what I mean? Like, I love it. Okay, so now we're kind of getting into the more springy items, more spring summery items. Even though I know this is still a long sleeve, it's pretty thin. But I have wanted one of these for so long, and I finally found one. It is a cropped sweater, but it has, you know, have you seen this kind of print? I've seen it everywhere. Like, everywhere. Like Brandy Melville has something like this. It's just nuts. But I love this kind of like print. It is so cool, and it says Night City on there. It reminds me of, oh shoot, what's that game? There's Cyberpunk. It reminds me of Cyberpunk that just came out. And yeah, and it's long sleeve, like I said, but it is pretty thin. This one is not the best quality, but I feel like it's still gonna do the job. Like, this is super cool, and I have a perfect pair of jeans to put this with because I feel like it would be like a cool kind of like street look. So yeah, super cute. And we'll try this one on. And you guys, here is the third item. This is the like crop top with the car on it, and it says Night City. I think this is really, really cool, but I have this paired with my super baggy kind of ripped jeans from Urban Outfitters, and I feel like it's such a vibe. I feel like it is very like streetwear. This reminds me a little bit of like Tokyo style as well. Like, it has a little bit of that like flair to it, and I think it looks super cool. It just brings like a whole new vibe to an outfit. And then these gold chains right here just match the whole thing. Like, everything that I've tried on, it matches. So I'm super into this. What do you guys think? I like the top. I like the attitude. I like the style. I feel like a badass. I feel like my brain is going like 1,000 miles a minute because I'm just like talking. Now I'm very excited. I don't know what's happening. I got a cute little knitted set. This actually looks really cute, y'all. So I got this little knitted set, and I have a set like this from Skims, but I have like a wrap top instead, and I have pants instead of shorts. But the Skims set is great. But here is what the top looks like. It is just a little tank top, and it's so cute. The color is like a pink blush color. It looks adorable, and then it has matching shorts. And you guys know that every single time I try on like a set, like a lounge set from like Misguided, Shein, Boohoo, anything like that, I always hate the way the shorts fit on me. It has a lot of like extra material in the crotch area, and it doesn't look that flattering. However, we are gonna try this out because I am dedicated to finding a decent pair of shorts on like a fast fashion website. So I got these. Here's what they look like. They're very good. Like, they're, again, very soft, and I'm really surprised. And I got these in a size medium. I got the pants in a size 6, and I got the tank top, I believe, in a size 6 as well. So I got a medium set. I really hope that it's gonna fit me because I do have a bigger chest, so let's just pray and hope that it's gonna fit me. But let's go try this on. All right, you guys, here is the next set. It is that cozy kind of knitted lounge set, and this is okay. It's not my favorite thing. However, comma, the pants are actually pretty great. I love the pants, and I think I have done it. I think that I have finally found some pants from like a fast fashion website that didn't give me like 3 extra vajayjays, you know, like that didn't have like so much fabric down here. Like this is actually really nice. It like cups your butt. It looks good. I really like it. It is a little bit see-through, but I am wearing like black underwear, so it is a little see-through, but it's okay. The top is a little small. Again, I do have a bit of a bigger chest, so I thought a medium would be fine, but it is a little small. I can get away with it. It would just be like, it doesn't look too tight. I can just tell that it is a tiny bit small, but overall, I think it's really cute. I definitely like my Skims set more that I have. I think it is much better quality and just overall better than this. But for like this set was like $6 from Shein. So for $6, I don't think you can beat it for $6. Next up, okay, I'm actually super duper excited about this. I have seen these everywhere. This seems like a very Gen Z kind of thing. Again, Brandy Melville had stuff like this. Other kinds of shops had stuff like this, and I've seen them everywhere, and they are just the cutest little thing. So I finally got me one. I jumped on the bandwagon. It's so 90s. I wish it was a different color than black. Like I wish it was like a lilac purple or something, but it's so cute. Again, it's long sleeve. It is a crop top. It's got these beautiful little monarch butterflies on there or something. I don't know if they're monarch butterflies, but they're butterflies. But it looks adorable, and I love stuff like this. I'm trying to get back into my roots, you guys, like 90s fashion, like I'm here for it. So I would wear this with like some shorts or jeans or something like that. You could wear it with a skirt, but I'm definitely like a shorts or jeans kind of person. The quality is not the best quality. It is soft, but the material is very wrinkly, as you can see. So if you do get something like this, then I would recommend, I don't even know if you can iron this. I got this in a size small as well, a US size 4. So let's try this on. You guys, here is the next item, and I have to say, I think this is my favorite outfit from this entire haul. I love this so much. I just paired it with some white shorts, and this is the cutest freaking thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, I love it. I actually love it. It fits really nicely. It's not see-through. It is a pretty thin material, but I am still wearing a black bra under here, and it's not see-through. So like, that's very exciting, and it is just the cutest thing. So like oh my god, I want to take this on vacation. It looks awesome. So I'm really into this. I love the cute little butterfly detail. It's just adorable. And yeah, I'm really into this. Totally a 10 out of 10 for me on this one. And I think this one is one of my favorites so far. And then the last thing I got. This is the last item. This right here. Oh my goodness, y'all. This has got constellations on it. It's got stars on it. I'm so excited. This is like literally my aesthetic, like stars and space and moons and suns and celestial, and I love it. So it is a high neck. It's not a turtleneck, but it is a high neck shirt, and it is long sleeve, and again it has like celestial like constellations and stuff on here. Now these feel really rough, so I hope that it doesn't like itch me inside. I don't think it will, because the material inside here is pretty soft. It's pretty soft, but I hope it doesn't itch me. But I would tuck this into some pants. It would just look so freaking cute, y'all. And I just love the aesthetic of like stars and moons. Spiritual. But yeah, I think it's super cute, and this is the last piece, so let's go ahead and try this baby on. And here is the last item, you guys. This is the long sleeve kind of celestial. It's got like constellations and stars on it. It's this sweater. It is a high neck sweater. Now you could tuck it into your pants, but I actually tucked it into my bra to make it more of a cropped sweater, which I still think is super cute. So I like this one a lot as well. It is not scratchy inside, thank the Lord, and it is adorable. The sleeves are long enough. It just looks really, really nice. It looks super cute, and I just paired them with the same shorts because I thought that it would really go together. It just looks cute to me. So you guys, I'm so into this, and I feel like this haul was like such a win. There were only a couple things that I didn't really like, that I didn't really vibe with, but the rest of it is actually really good, and I think the quality of Shein has definitely stepped up, and I think that it is much better than it used to be, so I'm super into it. This is super cute, but let's go back over to past Kenzie and she'll end out this video. Alright you guys, that has been my spring Shein haul. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you liked any of the stuff that I did show today, I will have everything linked in the description for you, anything that's still available. So feel free to peruse around and shop the stuff that I got, and let me know what your favorite outfit was as well. Like the outfits that I tried on, let me know which one was your favorite. But I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!